Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share a nail polish haul with you. I have several new nail polishes. I do have swatches of them. Let's get started. First I'm starting with the Dollar General nail polishes and we're going to start with LaColors. I'm going to start with the color shifting toppers. These are limited edition, so if you do find them in your stores, they're not sold online, so if you find them in your stores you better snatch them if you're interested. This one is Comet. This one is a sheer blue opalescent nail polish with strong pink flash, and when I say flash I mean a duochrome. So you see that it's blue, it's opalescent, and it has a strong pink shift to it. Nova. This one is a sheer burgundy nail polish with strong gold flash. It's beautiful. And once again, these are meant to be toppers, so they are sheer. Neptune. This is a sheer blurple nail polish. This is a purple with hints of blue with strong pink flash. The camera's not doing this one justice. On camera this one pulls a lot of blue. In real life it pulls purple with hints of blue with a strong pink flash. This LaColors one is a glitter vibes jelly nail polish in the color Jelly Cute. This one is a purple jelly nail polish with blue shimmers, pink flakies with hollow glitters, and this one does dry textured. The LaColors nail polishes were $2.25 each at my Dollar General. Moving on to the Believe Beauty polishes. The Believe Beauty polishes are $1.25. First up for Believe Beauty, this one is Pure Bliss. Pure Bliss. And this one is a dusty purple nail polish. Don't sleep on the Believe Beauty nail polishes because they're actually really good nail polishes. This beauty right here is called Honky Tonk Blues. And it's a basic primary blue nail polish. Now moving on to the more expensive, pricier, I have a nail polish from ILNP, which is one of my favorite brands. These nail polishes are always fantastic. Look at the cute packaging too. This ILNP is called Shaved Ice. It's absolutely stunning. This is a creamy white speckled nail polish. It has blue and green metallic flakes. Absolutely stunning. These polishes make perfect backgrounds for stamping. Last but not least, another favorite brand is KB Shimmer. Their nail polishes are so unique. If you're looking for some multi-chromes, some very special flaky duochrome kind of polishes, definitely be looking into KB Shimmer. So I bought two. First up, I'm going to talk about this gorgeous nail polish which I am wearing. It's Cool Beans, which if you grew up in the 90s, I did. This nail polish is a blueberry based nail polish with shifting shimmers, strong green, flash, and different lighting and angles bring out teal, gold, blue, and peach. It's absolutely stunning, and in the shade it has this beautiful foiled look. Okay, the last polish that I have to share is called Just the Coolest. Oh, this one just released with their winter collection. This is absolutely amazing. This is a pale periwinkle jelly nail polish with micro flakes shift from pale pink to peach, golden yellow to lime to blue at some angles. You can definitely see like the peach, the periwinkle, and the blue just on camera. Really stand out in the shade. In the shade and extreme angles, you can really see all the shades to these polishes. So pretty. So that is all the nail polishes I have to share with you today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional nail polish links.